If you are using Monday.com and your team manually copy leads and creating a lead manually in Monday.com, so you are actually wasting a lot of time. So in this video, I will explain how to automate these processes with the help of make.com. So you can see here, this is a plus icon. Just click on it. So it will, now you can see the like big plus button. Just click on it. So we are using dummy data here because uh, I am using here Postman. You can see here I am using a webhook. So here you can see the custom webhook. Just click on it. So basically, webhook, creating a webhook, you just click on it. I am giving a name here like Monday, and I am saving it. So you can see here, this is a URL which make.com received data by this. And this URL can paste by any website like Google Forum, Zoho, and whatsoever apps you are using. We will cover next video these type of apps as well. I am copying here, you can see here, and I am going to this. For testing, I am just replacing this by this one. I am, so there is many options like get, post, put. So for sending a data, you always choose a post method. So here you can see authorization, headers, body. So I want to send a body like what data you want to send here. So just click there, make a dummy data here, just copy it, and I am just clicking the send button here. See, it is accepted. So it means that my webhook is connected by this postman. So I am saving it. See, after that, I am clicking run once button. So you can see here, it is waiting for our data. Like it is waiting for this one to send a data. So again, I am clicking send. So you can see here, this is showing like accepted make.com accept these URL data. So you can see here, the data is coming. All the detail like we have used this one number, project name, everything came into make.com within 1 second. So like this is the example of your forums. First, whatever you are forum using, this is example of. After that, we are using I am giving you example here. I am using here set variable modules. You can see here. This is basically a pro expert know how to use, because someone like here I am giving the example like someone capital like email to uh, email, like you can see e option is the no, small one. If postman send into capital format, the mapping data will be error. So we always using set variable. So you can see here I am giving a name here. I after that I map this. Just giving you an example here. I am just giving a second email. See here I again mapping the email as well. So these two I'm giving you example here. Just saving it. After that, you can see here. So we are creating a monday.com lead. So I am giving you a tip here how to connect monday.com with make.com. So just click on it. You can see here and you can search here like Monday. So there is a lot of function here. You can first this like if you want to create an item and create a sub item as well, and duplicate an item as well, and list update as well. We will cover all of the detail in next videos as well. So please like this video. And so we are basically here to create an item because we have a lead here. You can see the website lead or whatever you are using. We are actually creating a lead here. So now you can see here, I am searching again monday.com. I search it, you can see here. So we are creating a lead. Actually, you search here again, create an atom. As I already built this one, you can see a lead board here and the data like company, honor, priority, deadline, notes, budget, everything in this board. You can see here lead boards. So, so first thing is to send our data into monday.com. You must we start with how to connect money.com, make.com. So I am giving you a detail. Just click on this red option. So you can see here API key option. API key is like that where this one, money.com have an API key. You must put into this one. So in this board, you can see in money.com like this profile option. Just click on it and there is many options you can see here. We will want to get an API key. We will go to like you can see here a developer option. Just click onto it. Wait for just 1 second. Will appear this one's appearing. You can see here. And after that, you can see a option like API tokens. You can see here. Just click on it. So this is our API token that you can see here. Everymoney.com have different one. So you can also regenerate as well. I am just copying it. Copy it. It is copied. Just I am going to back to here money.com. See here and just pasting it. So I will save it. You can see after no, now you can see my money.com actually connect with make.com. So here you can see the full option like item name. Item name is basically like this one. The first option you can see here, this is actually item name. So we will map here, you can see our company name. Company is actually our item. So after that, board, which board you actually want to create an item. I have this board, you can see here, lead boards, and my group is new leads. So I'm giving you like board my lead boards, and you can see other option like group. I have a new lead group. Again here, new leads group. So column, it is asking which column you want to create. I am creating budget here and also deadline here, email here also as well. I'm selecting all of the data. If you have not one, not that. If you have a necessary column, just select that and I am save it. Just so you can see. So after saving, just again you can see the budget. The budget column you can see here, the end one, this one. I am mapping it from webhook. You can see here, this is a budget option. Just click on it and date here. You can whatsoever, like if you want date only, just click on it. If you want date and time as well, just select it. So I always prefer date only. Just click onto it and just map this one. See here. So email option you can see here, like I'm mapping here and name as well. And note section you can see under this like message section is actually or like note section. Just click on it. owner, like I'm skipping it because I have no need to it. And I found it. You can see here, I have deleted. I have no need to select the owner. Please. Again, I have a phone number here. You can see this one and priority. I am giving you a tip here how to map actually a status column. You can see here, this is a status column and there is a three label low, very, very fast. See here, the index is like first level. If you not select this, from these you must select one list. I always prefer to use this one label. Label is like this one showing. You see here, hi, this is actually labels in the status column. So just uh, click on it like no. If you select this one like high, whenever lead came, it always show a high in the money.coms. So I don't want to show high always. I just click the toggle option. You can see here, I delete it and I am mapping here. You can see here priority. If it is low, it will show here low. If it is high, it will show a high because I mapped here. So I am saving it. You can see here all the things I have done to it. Just we need to test the data. So I like run once and waiting for data. Webhook actually waiting for. It is same like you have a website forum or in type forum, Google forums and many money.com forum as well. It is actually work same as well. So I am again go back to this postman and just click on the send option. So you can see here, it is running and it get data, it normalize it, and after that it create an item in money.com app. So you can see here, this is actually our company. You can see here, I am doing like you can see here, this is our company here, and it create our leads in like so priority is high and you can see our email coming, phone coming, and names as well. And you can see our notes section and deadline as well and budget as well. I am giving here an expert tip. This process is beginnermake.com, which and they know how to like create, connect an item and just create an item. So whenever someone fill a form, it create a lead. So like if I fill a form two times, it create a two lead, which is not a good option. Create a massive option like two leads at the same time. So here I always search here like see here money.com. So always search there like if someone already there, just don't create a lead in. If someone present in, not present, if someone so here you can see a search module. This is basically for searching the item like this lead item. It is actually present into it. If it is present, our automation not create a lead in this code. If it is not present, it will create it. Here I am again selecting the lead board. See here, and here is the option like which column do you want to search in money.com. Here you can see there are a lot of items into it. So always search by email because name must be different from anyone. So always search email option. Give you example here in searching by email. You can map there. See here, just map it. So this means like if the leads are already in money.com, it will not create a lead print. If it is not present here and if it is not present, you can see here I used a search. item before creating at an item. So after search module, you always put a filter after that between the create an item and search an item. So always like see here the total number of bundles. So it is showing like one. One mean like it is found in the into it. It is found here. You can see it found here like this lead is present into. So I am using like this one, and because this is a numeric operator, we will select here like you can see numeric operator equal to zero. It's like zero if it's not found. I'm naming it like not found. If not found, then it will go to the if found, it will stop there. So I again test it, reading more data, and I again run it. See here, it accepted and see in here. No, it is stopped. You can see here because our lead actually present into it. If I delete this filter, you can see here, you can see here, I delete it, deleting it, and again I testing here. Again, I am testing here. Accepted, and you can see the lead create duplicate lead here. So this will be not good for any business. You understand whole process of these setups. So please like and subscribe my channels. If you have a business and you want to automate your lead process, my contact detail is in my description. See you in next one.